Hey Mike, Paul Heck. Just wanted to show you this quick video here about what I'm seeing on the handyman services. Just typed in, handyman near me, dropped that in, see what popped up. Mr. Handyman, like you saw, is running sponsored ads. You've got Thumbtack and this Ambassador Home Maintenance also running sponsored ads. So as long as those guys are running ads, they're going to be at the top. That might be something that you want to look at as we get this thing launched and up. Of course, this is going to be location based, so we would definitely do work to try to push you up into the search ranking there of the Google Business Profile. But down in the organic, I see some opportunity here for sure. Yelp, you got Angie's List, so nobody's really doing anything. Thumbtack, those would be the ones that we try to beat. The first actual guy that pops up here is this Fayetteville Handyman Pros, and then you got another next door, and then you've got a Fast and Fair Handyman down here. So just pop those in. Their website's nothing special. They got plenty of content on there, which, we would definitely need to have at least as much of that. They've got several services: plumbing maintenance, drywall, home and outdoor cleaning, electrical maintenance, painting, fencing, home remodel, roof repairs, decks, pergolas, siding, and landscape. I know you guys aren't going to want to take on all of that, but we can definitely compete with some of those. And then they've got 4 location pages. So this is, one of the reasons why they're ranking for that. Looking at just some of the search volume out there, which I was pleasantly surprised that there was quite a bit of volume and low difficulty. So Handyman Fayetteville, Arkansas gets searched 100 times a month. Definitely can pick up some of that. Not sure if you want to go Fort Smith, but there's 70 there. Rogers, 60 searches a month. Bentonville, another 70 a month. I know dropped in this URL for this Fast and Fair repair. Similar situation. I've got a little bit of content, not much, but, they talk about all the different services that they outline, so we can pick up some of those. And then just dropping them in and seeing what they've got. Handyman Springdale, AR, 50 searches a month there. They do some furniture repairs, some other things. Bentonville, those were on the other one. So, there's a couple hundred, maybe 300 searches a month for just like Handyman Fayetteville. I would definitely do some near me, Handyman near me content on there as well. But I'll put together a proposal just to show you like what that looks like. These websites aren't super strong. Just looking at, how they're being ranked. That's why they're not being ranked above Angie's List and Yelp and stuff. 0 in the DR, 7. They've got a few backlinks, just not very, very strong. Looking at the other guy who's in the top position. Yeah, a little bit more strength, but not too bad. Only 18 referring domains. So their site was just started, looks like, in this year, March of 2024. So I'm not seeing that there's it should be fairly quick time for we can start to rank for some of those keywords and push those up there. But I'll put all that together and show you what that looks like in here in just a little bit. But wanted to get you this quick video just so you can kind of see what's going on. All right, talk to you soon.